Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Razer's new Blade 16 gaming laptop. So friend, Razer unveils the Razer Blade 18, a pinnacle of high performance gaming laptop. And friend, the new Razer Blade 18 standard biggest, baddest blade. And friend, it is the world's first 18-inch 4K 200Hz display for unprecedented visual fidelity. And friend, the desktop-grade processing with Intel Core i9 at the heart of the Blade 18 lies the Intel Core 14th generation Gen i9 14900HX, the world's fastest mobile processor, and comes with 24 cores and ability to unlock overclocking through Razer Synapse. It offers unparalleled processing power for the most intensive tasks, from demanding AAA gaming to professional content creation. And friend, at just 21.99 mm slim, the Blade 18 combines the power of Intel's Core 14th generation i9 14900HX processor in the world's thinnest form factor for an 18-inch Intel HX class system, balancing high performance with sleek and portable design. The Blade 18 is a powerhouse in the gaming laptop market, supporting up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics and unlocking up to 175W full TGP, and leveraging NVIDIA's AI-powered DLSS 3 to deliver faster frame rates and real-time ray tracing. GeForce RTX technologies are supported in more than 500 popular games and applications, including blockbuster games such as Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2. NVIDIA RTX laptop GPUs are packed with specialized AI Tensor cores, enabling unmatched AI performance in creative apps, ultra-efficient productivity, blistering fast gaming, and more, while Razer Blade 18 are loaded with game-ready drives for peak performance. NVIDIA Studio drivers are available for download to enhance performance and reliability for creators. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is available now on Razer.com at a price of $3,099.99 So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.